In my last video, I explained how to find the equation of the sphere passing through 4 points. How do you find? You have to substitute the points in the given in the general equation of the sphere. You will get 4 equations in u, v, w and d, and you have to find u, v, w, d. We use usually elimination method. First we eliminate d, then w, then we will get 2 equations in u and v. We find out u and v. And back substituting we will get W and D. That is the procedure. Now, some more examples are there. I leave this as homework. Find the equation of the sphere passing through. Find the equation of the sphere passing through 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, and minus 1, 2, 0, and 1, 2, 3. Find the equation of the sphere passing through these 4 points. Answer is 7 into x square plus y square plus z square minus 15x minus 25y minus 112 is 0. Equation of the sphere passing through 4 points. Find the equation of the sphere passing through 0, 0, 0, a 0, 0, 0, b 0, 0, 0, c. 0, 0, c. Answer is x square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz is 0. There is no constant term because of this. It passed through origin. Then find the equation of the sphere passing through the points 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1 and 1, 1 minus 1. Find its center and radius. This answer I have not taken. You go through and you will get the answer. Next is show that the equation of the sphere passing through 3 points 302 minus 1 1 1 2 minus 5 4 see passing through 3 points and having its center on the plane 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 6 is x square plus y square plus z square plus 4y minus 6z is equal to 1. Say this problem. Show that the equation of the sphere passing through the points 302, I verify again, points 302, minus 1 1, 2 minus 5 4 and having its center on 2x, its center on the plane 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 6 is x square plus y square plus z square plus 4y minus 6z is equal to 1. This is the problem. Now I explain how to solve this problem. See, in all the previous problems we were given sphere passing through 4 points. But in this problem, passing through 3 points, but one more condition is given. Center lies on this plane. So to find the equation of the sphere, 4 things are required because there are 4 constants u, v, w, d. 4 things are required. Here passing through 3 points gives 3 equations. Center lying on this line gives one more equation in u, v, w. So we can find out u, v, w and d. What is the procedure? Let the equation be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux, 2vy, 2wz plus d is equal to 0. What is this? General equation of the sphere. This is called general equation of the sphere. What you have to find out here? U, v, w and d. In this type of problem, we assume that the equation of the sphere is general equation of the sphere and we find out u, v, w and D. First is substitute 3, 0, 2 means x is 3, y 0, z is 2 in this equation. X 3, y 0, z 2. What do you get? 9 plus 0 plus 4 plus 6u 0v 4w plus d is 0, or 6u plus 4w plus d plus 13 is equal to 0. Let us take this as 2. This as 2. Next substitute minus 1, 1, 1. What do you get? 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 2u plus 2v plus 2w plus d is equal to 0. I think all have followed how to substitute this. X is minus 1, y 1, z 1. Because it is given sphere pass through this point. Means coordinates of this point satisfy equation of the sphere. Therefore we get minus 2u plus 2v plus 2w plus d plus 3 is equal to 0. This is 3. Similarly, substitute 2 minus 5, 4. We get 4 plus 25 plus 16 plus 4u minus 10v plus 8w, 4u minus 10v plus 8w plus d is equal to 0. Therefore 4u plus 8w, 4u minus 10v plus 8w plus d plus, is it 45? 20 plus 25. 45 is 0. Take this as 4. And next is, say its center lies on this plane. What is the center of the sphere we have taken? We have taken, this is the equation of the sphere. What is the center? Minus u minus v minus w. So minus u minus v minus w satisfies this. Since center of one lies on the plane, 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 6. We have 2 into minus u plus 3 into minus v, 4 into minus w is equal to 6, or 2u plus 3v plus 4w plus 6 is equal to 0. Transposing. This is 5. Now we have these 4 equations. 2, 3, 4, 5 are the 4 equations. From these 4 equations, we have to find out u, v, w and d. Let me verify the equations. What is 2? 6u 4w plus d is 13. Minus 2u plus 2v plus 2w d is plus 3 is 0, and so on. These are the equations. Now we eliminate d from 2, 3, 4. For that, take 2 minus 3. Take 2 minus 3. What does 2 minus 3 gives? 8u minus 2v plus 2w plus 10 is equal to 0. This is 6. Next is 3 minus 4. What does 3 minus 4 gives? 3 minus 4 gives 6u. I take 4 minus 3. 4 minus 2. 6u minus 12v. 6u minus 12v and plus 6w plus 42 is equal to 0. This is 7. This is 7. So now we have 5, 6, 7, and in 5, 6, 7 we have only 3 equations, 3 unknowns. U, V, W are unknowns now. From 5, 6, 7, say 5, 6, 7, there are 3 equations in 3 unknowns. Now we eliminate W first. How do you eliminate W? We take uh, equation 5 minus 2 into 6, because w we have to eliminate, 4w is there, this also we have to eliminate w, multiply this by 2. What do you get? 2u plus 3v plus 4w plus 6 is 0. Multiply by 2 here. 16u minus 4v plus 4w plus 20 is equal to 0. So we get, what do you get? Minus 14u, or I take this minus this. 6 into 2 minus 5. Then what happens? 14u minus 7v plus 14 is equal to 0. This is, what is this? Next number, 8. Next we have to eliminate w from these two. How to eliminate w from these two? For that, equation 6 into 3 minus 7. So we get 6 into 3, 24u into 3 minus 6v plus 6w plus into 3, 30 is equal to 0. Am I correct here? 24 minus 6 plus 6 plus 30. And 6u minus 12v plus 6w plus 42 is 0. Subtract. We get 18u subtraction minus or plus 12v minus 12 is equal to 0. This is 9. So we have equations 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Now from this 8 and 9 are two equations in u and v. Correct? 8 and 9 are two equations in u and v. U and v. Now we have to eliminate this v from 8 and 9. For that, 14 minus 7 plus 14. Here 18 plus 12 minus 12. So better divide by 7 first here. What do you get? 2u minus v plus 2 is 0. I take this as 8. Now this equation. So we multiply by 12 now. Multiply by 12. What do you get? 14u minus 12v plus multiply by 12. 12 into 2. 24u minus 12v plus 24 is 0. And what is this? It is 18u plus 12v minus 12 is equal to 0. Right? 12 is equal to 0. If we subtract, what happens? Am I correct? This equation, I refer 8. 2u, 3v, 4w is 6. This is correct. Then what is the equation? 8u minus 2v plus 2w plus 10. 6u minus 12v. 6u minus 12v plus 6w. Correct? Plus 42. Yes. Now we have, what is this? 14u minus 7v plus 14 is 0. Minus 7v. Here 18u plus 12v. Correct? 18u. Is it 12v? This is wrong here. 6 minus 12 plus 6v. Minus 6 we are subtracting. 18u plus 6v here. Minus 12 is 0. Correct? 18u, 6v minus 12 is 0. So what is this equation? 2u minus v plus 2 is 0, multiply by 6. Only elimination here. I have taken this one while calculating. We are also human beings. Some mistake was there. Minus 6 plus 12 is plus 6. And therefore, for the eliminate v, we multiply by 6 here. What do you get? 12u, correct? Minus 6v plus 12 is equal to 0. Now we add this. What do you get? Cancels. We get 18 plus 12. 18 plus 12 is, this also cancels here. Correct? This also cancels. Adding. So we get u is equal to 0. U is 0. How do you get v now? You can use this equation to find out v. This equation. So I take first u is 0. I think you followed this one. U is 0. And from 8 I use this as 8. V is equal to 2u plus 2. Therefore 2. Because u is 0. U is 0. V is 2. Next we want w. For the which we have to use the equation which is easier, or substitution becomes easier to find w. That equation we have to see here. I think sixth one, from 6 2w is minus 8u plus 2v minus 10. 0 plus 4 minus 10 is minus 6. W is therefore minus 3. U0, V2, W minus 3. Next we find out D. For that I prefer fourth one. Because I have that equation on the board. I take this equation 4. From 4u 0 minus 10v minus 20, 8w minus 24 plus d plus 45 is equal to 0. So d is equal to minus 1. Minus 44 plus 45 minus 1. Now substituting this in the equation 1, because we have assumed equation 1 as the required equation. Substituting in 1, we get x square plus y square plus z square. U is 0. 2ux is 0 plus 4y minus 6z minus 1 is 0 or equal to 1. Answer was given here. I think we have obtained the same one. X square plus y square plus z square, x square plus y square plus z square plus 4y minus 6z is equal to 1. This is the answer. I think you followed this one. Here only difference was passing through 3 points, and the next condition was its center lies on the plane. What are the coordinates of the center? Coordinates of the centers are minus u, minus v, minus w. That you have to substitute in the equation. You will get another equation in u, v and w only. And still this problem, it was quite easy, because as in the equation of the sphere passing through 4 points, we have not eliminated D from all the 4 equations. Last one was free from D. You followed now? Yeah. Find the equation of the sphere passing through the points. I leave this as exercise. 1 minus 3 4, 1 minus 3 4, 1 minus 5 2, 1 minus 3 0, and having center on the plane x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Answer: x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 6y minus 4z plus 10 is equal to 0. So I have taken this problem from analytical solid geometry by Shanti Narayan and Mittal, and you verify the answer, because while taking the answer somewhere there may be mistake, therefore you have to verify the answer. You solve this, get the answer, and verify this. Next is touching spheres. Touching spheres. Say consider this. Consider two spheres like this. Three cases may be there, and suppose the spheres are like this. One more case is spheres are like this. Spheres. Here, in case of spheres, we have three different cases. Here what happens? They do not touch each other, or they do not intersect, or even they do not touch each other. In this case they intersect, but in this case they just touch each other, two spheres. Now, here what do you observe here? What do you observe? In this case, this is the, what is this radius? This is the radius. This is R1, R2, and this AB are the centers. This is, what is this? R1, this is R2, this is R1, this is R2, and AB. Here, this is A, B, and take this as P. AP is R1, PP is R2. R1, R2. See, in this case, sum of the radii is less than difference between the centers. Sum of the radii is less than difference between the centers. In this case, sum of the radii is what is in this case? Sum of the radii is less than difference between the centers. Difference is AB. In this case, sum of the radii is greater than distance between the centers. But in this case, sum of the radii is exactly distance between the centers. AP plus PB is equal to AB. In this case, they just touch each other. So this is the condition for two spheres to just touch each other. So what is the analytical condition for two spheres to touch each other? Sum of the radii is distance between the centers. I solve problems on this in the next video. Okay, thank you.